Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for Craft Roulette episode 178. Here is the card I made featuring the wonderful Dowager Countess of Grantham from Downton Abbey. The video for this is a little shorter than usual as I had some technical issues, but I still wanted to share my tie-dye technique, some pretty flower making, a little sentiment fussy cutting and card assembly. As this is a Craft Roulette process video, I have parameters to meet. These are displayed on the screen. To begin, I got very inky. I die cut lawn-fawn hibiscus flowers in distress watercolour cardstock, diluted a little wilted violet distress oxide ink with water and did a little ink smooshing. To create the tie-dye effect required, I used a tie-dye stencil from Kindred Stamps and wilted violet distress oxides. The Picket Fence ink pouncers are fantastic for intricate stencils like this. I gave the flowers a quick blast of heat to dry them off and then started to put the layers together. Off screen I die cut the same flowers in lawn fawn pearlescent vellum and attached the layers using liquid glue. Then I added gold gems to the centres. For the main panel of the card I found a beautiful piece of fabric filled paper in my stash. Unfortunately I do not have the source for this. I used a lilac piece of paper to back it with. I arranged the flowers and then added the other elements to the layout. I prepared my sentiment for heat embossing. I love this one. Abbey Birthday, my lady, is really quite perfect. I heat embossed off screen. Recently I have really enjoyed fussy cutting sentiments and this one has a lovely font style to cut around. As I fussy cut, I will tell you about Craft Roulette. It is the ultimate YouTube card making game show on almost every Friday evening at 6:10 p.m. Central Time in the US, 12:10 a.m. UK time. Mary Gunn, the hostess, spins the wheel. 4 craft parameters are chosen. Guest crafters react, collect supplies and then spend a while crafting and chatting. It allows a great community of crafters from all over the world to get together via YouTube, the Craft Roulette Facebook page and the amazing craftroulette.live website. I stamped, coloured and cut Lady Violet. I have left in a clip of the colours I used here. And finally a very inky ta-da! I think I've broken my record here for the shortest process video so far on my channel. A pretty card, definitely for a lady, with tie-dye flowers in Parma Violet colours. Fun fact, did you know these sweets are similar to a sugary lozenge flavoured with real violets made before the year 1620? I am just full of useful information. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I'll be back soon.